This is a story about Thomas Edison. When Edison was a young boy, he came home from school and gave a piece of paper to his mom.
He said, "Mom, my teacher gave this to me and asked me to give it to you." His mother opened the paper, read it, and she had tears in her eyes. He asked, "Mom, what does it say?"
His mom said, "Well, it says your son is a genius, but unfortunately, this school is too small for him. We don't have enough resources and good teachers to teach him. Please teach him yourself."
Edison's mom kept him home from that day and taught him herself. After many years, Edison's mother died. By this time, Edison has become one of the greatest inventors in history and was a known person.
One day, when Edison was looking around some old papers at home, he came across the same note in his mother's desk drawer. He took it out. He opened it and read it. His eyes were full of tears as the paper said,
"Your son seems to be mentally ill. We will not let him come to school anymore."
Moral of the story: a mother's faith and encouragement can turn a child's weakness into greatness. Positive words and belief in one's potential can inspire extraordinary achievements.